claims and counterclaims come because the borders are not yet settled. Once the borders are settled, the question of claiming and counterclaiming will not arise any further. Again, Meghalaya was created under an Act of Parliament which clearly mentions that the boundaries of Meghalaya are just an interpretation of an existing act. So they are temporary, as per that act itself, the State Reorganization Act 1971, which leaves space for us to redefine the boundary of the state based on current discussions. As soon as the budget session is over, we should be back to border talks.